Got him. Nice one. Oh, this is a good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Oh boy. Mudfish. I thought I had a monster. And I didn't. I just had a big ass mudfish. There's fish in there. There we go. Okay. Cannot get it together today. I don't know what it is. Little mid-morning update. It's 9:15. I've only hooked a couple fish and nothing really has grabbed a hold of it. The biggest bite I got was offshore, and without electronics it's a little bit tough to locate those fish. So I'm gonna check out a couple other spots where I know I can throw a minnow or a little swim bait around and hopefully get bit. And if that doesn't work, I'm just gonna keep exploring these lakes and see what the day brings. There we go. About time. Nice fish. All right, man. All right. So it has been very slow. Very windy and very slow. And I've been trying to get out of the wind and find something that's gonna work. That's not offshore because it's just too windy to fish offshore. So trying a fluke with a spinning rod, light line, might be the ticket. Nice. Ooh, this is a good one. Oh yeah, nice fish. Stay out of that grass, buddy. All right. This one's kind of a cookie cutter of the last one. Not bad little fish for a Butler chain. This is the 4th lake I've tried in the chain. And this little fluke in this submerged grass seems to be the ticket. So I'm gonna keep doing this. Hopefully we catch quite a few more. I think what's happening is maybe these are some spawning areas and these fish are kind of set up on the edges just eating. Either they've spawned already or maybe they're heading in to do it, but it's a full moon, so I think a lot of the bigger fish probably ate all night. All right, let's keep it up. cookie cutter, just like the last one. Pretty little fish. So all I'm doing, just fishing this swim bait, 1/8 ounce extra wide gap hook on a BFS, just kind of swimming it through this hydrilla. Stopping it every now and then. Just had another hit. Oh, come on, man. Man, how are they getting off? That was a good fish. Well, this is a fun, kind of old school way to fish. I used to catch a lot of redfish doing this. It's definitely a good way to catch them. I'm going to put on a new bait. And I'll show you what I'm going to do with these toothpicks. So, with the Z-Man swim baits and Elastec doesn't work really well with these screw jig heads. But what you can do is take one of these toothpicks, poke it down the center. It's kind of like drilling a pilot hole. Once you get it rigged, it'll stay put for a long time. Skin it. Perfect. God, that was funny. Man, I was just dead sticking it. Look at that little thing. Get over here. That was pretty cool. I was clearing a wind knot. Backlash. The little guy picked it up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What was that? Okay. I'm gonna come in here, see if there's anything going on, and if not, we're gonna hit these docks on the way back. Got him. You got him. Where do you think you're going, bro? Come in here. Join the party. Nice. All right, something about these docks. I fished all the way down there, didn't get anything. So we came back. Now we're throwing a Senko around the edges of this grass. Not gonna catch anything on that cast. Yep. Broke him off. Set the hook a little too hard on that fella. Got him. Nice one. Oh, this is a good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Okay. Oh my gosh, foul hooked. No, 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 no. What do we have here? Oh boy. Mudfish. Well, I thought I had a giant bass. And just a what looks to be at least a Drew record mudfish. Here we go. Well, that was exciting. That's a wrap. Thanks for tuning in to Camping Cast. If you like the content, please do me a favor, subscribe, hit the like button. Really trying to put out as many videos as I can during the spring and summer months. And going to be doing some different things with kayaking and some river stuff. But thanks for tuning in. Have a great day, and come back and see us.